Hi guys, what's up? It's Scholar85 back with another unboxing, and this is my second unboxing of the day. So yeah, as you can see, it's for Rage 2 on the Xbox One. So yeah, this looks absolutely mental. So yeah, so on the front there's some person going absolutely mental. So there's the side and there's the back. It says that. So it's actually made by Avalanche, at least the world is, I think, who made the Just Cause games, which is a good game and a good thing. Intense action, wide open world, big guns. So yeah, insanity rules. So it is Xbox One X enhanced, and it is a single player only game. And the install size is up to 50 gig. So inside we have advert about Doom Eternal and an advert about Wolfenstein Youngblood, which I will be getting. I'm probably going to be getting that at Christmas or sometime. Little manual, which is just a controller layout, and get it out. You also get the disc and some decent background art. So there's the disc. So yeah, that's my very quick unboxing of Rage 2 on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. And thank you very much for watching, guys. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon, guys. Thanks. Bye bye.